Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use array logical operator conditions. Okay. What I have here is the product, and each product, what is the stock at the shop, how many items are there in the shop, and what is the minimum requirement for the shop for that item. Okay, for this item 97 is supposed to be in the shop, but we have 345, that is more, so we no need to order no need to place any order for this particular product Alice mutton. Okay, whereas you have this Boston crab meat, you need to have minimum requirement is 57 packets, but you have only 53 packets, so you need to order. So we are going to use the logical operator first, simple logical operator, and show you how to use this condition, and to arrive whether true or false for this condition, whether to order or not to order is true, and not to order is false. And then I will also use the array logical condition to show you whether to get the same result for order for shop or not. Okay, so the first one is the just a logical operator condition. I am not using if statement, I just type the logical operation here. Okay, condition here. Equal to is the formula, so I need to check whether stock at shop is less than minimum requirement. If it is minimum requirement, just press enter, then it shows false. So since it is false, you no need to order. Okay, so similarly you shift the formula to other cells. You can see for the third crab meat, it is true. Order for shop, yes, is true. Why it is true? Because stock at shop is less than the minimum requirement of 57. So this way you will get a true or false using the conditional operators. Okay, so I just drag and drop for all the products. I will get for all the products, I'll get it for true or false. Okay, now what happens if I use a array for these logical operators? Okay, so let's see how we are going to use it. This one is a single formula, and we use it for each cell by shifting the formula. So every single cell is having the single check. Okay, but when you go to array, what I am going to do is I am going to use the check the full set of I am going to give the full set of stock. Okay, full set of stock array with less than full set of minimum requirement. Okay, so I'm passing two arrays. My expectation is it has to compare the first element of item 1, the array 1, with the first element of array 2. Similarly, second element of array 1 with the second element of array 2, and I must get true or false. Okay, but now since it's the array formula, and we are expecting a respective true or false for each respective cell of each item, so it cannot be entered into only one cell. It has to be on all the cells for all the items. Okay, so the thing is we need to select first the output cells, because the output is going to be an array also. So we are going to check for all the items. Since we are passing a array, two arrays, we are going to get the order or not order also. It's an array. Okay, so you selected all the cells, then the first cell is active, you enter now the array formula. Select the stock at the shop, then compare the stock at shop with minimum requirement needed, Okay, now you enter the formula like previously we did it for one cell. We are now doing it for the array of cells. Now since it's array formula, you need to enter Control Shift Enter. Now you see it has come up with the output for all the cells. Okay, and the result is similar. Okay, here we did it for one by one, but here we are doing it for whole set of array. Since it's array formula, it encloses the formula with braces. Okay, this way you can use the conditional logical operators in a array format, sending this logical format, placing on two or more arrays, and type it as a array formula using the shift control enter. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.